got that G at my nullos. I'm just saying. We pull up to the scene, they be filled with jealousy. If a bitch get
stop
finicky, she gon' bring the energy. I hit a phone with a
3, 2, 1, action.
So hello everyone, sorry. My first time in the video, and I hope you guys are having a good time and welcome back to my channel. Guys, today I was like, you know what, let me just come here, let's just have a chat. You guys have seen the title of the video already. What does it say? The power of investing. So I'm not kidding you, I've gotten tired of this because when I'm at the salon, I'll see most of these stylists, especially low income earners and people of color like me and black people. You know, they're like, oh my god, I've been doing this for 25 years, 30 years. Oh my god, I need that $1 tip, I need that $5 tip. And I was like, what happened? All these years, what were you doing? So I was like, okay, let me make this video.
Came from a bitch who nigga wanna fuck on me.
Guys, if you're the type of person that, okay, in a month or in a year, you're drinking like 500 cups of coffee, honey, I have to give you the hard truth right now. You have to start drinking 250 cups of coffee and invest the money you would use to buy 250 cups of the other part of the coffee. Guys, you just never know. The days we do 9 to 5 and feel that that's the only way we can make a living, that no longer flies at all. Hard work, it's just the truth. I have to give it out, guys. I was like, okay, today let me tell you guys the importance and power of investing.
Broke boys don't deserve no pussy. I know that's right.
One, you guys, you know, when you're someone of color and you're black, you know how it's so hard for you to get that promotion in that job, for you to hustle just to get a raise in that job. You know how hard it is, especially in corporate America and in the corporate world at large. Let's be real, I'm saying it. You know it, I know it, we know it.
I don't know where to start.
It's like a secret, a hidden language, and especially when you're an American, there are two types of American. It's like there is the other American, then there's the other American. I don't want to say it, but you guys know what I mean, the white American and the black or person of color American. And it's so sad.
How does that make sense?
Bitch, do whatever you want to do. Period. I'm gonna keep doing whatever I want to do. And it's whether you like it or you don't like it. Either you're with me or you're against me. Or bitch, you're in my way. Period. Move. Get out. You feel me?
And here we are.
I went and got a laptop and my laptop broke down after 1 week. You would not believe it. They kept it at the back for 1 hour plus trying to deduce to find out if there was something, if I had done something, just because they have to give me a new laptop because I just bought a laptop 1 week ago. But when I go with someone else that's Caucasian, let me say it, my landlord, we have this express treatment. If he says something, they just boom, give it to us.
One time.
But because I went alone, honey, I was even asking them, I was like, why am I waiting so long? They're like, oh, we'll get to you. It's like I wasn't even there. And that's just the reality of it. So when I see people, you know, you were working that job, you're like, oh my god, I cannot keep working this job. The manager, you cannot stand the manager, you cannot stand the people you work with. I want you to start giving yourself at least 1 year. Say to yourself, I'll pick those extra jobs, I'll pick those extra shifts, because honey, it's time for me to buy Felicia out of this place. I'm giving it to you guys straight today. And you know what you're gonna do? Oh, this is what I wore. There, I'm just giving you guys this today, okay? See, I'm so into this video today that I was like, let me give you guys the hard truth.
2021, like already, like what? And what? Are you kidding me? Yeah.
I love what I do, and
ooh. Like, how do you do that? Like,
Start picking up those extra shifts. Look at what's going on in order for them to increase the minimum wage to $15. All the battle, honey. How about you start planning on living a life where you don't even have to depend on the government? You guys saw what happened for them to give us, you know, those wages to help us during this pandemic. See how they had to put it through the law, the debate, and fight over it, especially for us low-income earners. And I was like, you know what? Any little you have now, you're almost at bankrupt. Invest it. I have finally found a place where, guys, your color no longer matters. Like, I'm sorry, let's be real, YouTube, Twitter, TikTok, we know how it is. People of color don't grow as fast as the Caucasians, and it's just a sad truth.
With a vacancy sign.
So I was like, wait, we're in this world that can I work, can I do something where my skin color no longer matters? Honey, it's investing. Woo! I'm not kidding you. When someone told me, you know, like Since 2016, I've been begging people to teach me about it, but nope, they will just never teach me. They will never show me. And now I know about it myself. I had to do research, watching Christian videos, Tommy Bryson videos. Guys, that has changed my life forever. Honey, I am tempted to show you guys my portfolio. I didn't even know what bulls and traps and shorts and, you know, stocks and margins. I didn't know all this stuff. All I had to do was research, watch these videos, and every day I learn even more. And I must tell you, when it comes to investing, guys, your skin color no longer matters, honey. You can go as much as you want, so start taking those shifts. You want to eat out, ask yourself, is it worth it eating out? Guys, you get to make money in your sleep. While you're sleeping, you can actually do what we call dividend investing, and you start paying yourself from your investments on a monthly basis, rather than, oh, I have to go find 20 jobs, hopefully one of them takes me, I have to dress a certain way. When it comes to investing, the way you dress no longer matters, and it's so humbling. It changes your perception.
Yeah. Yeah.
It changes your perspective in life. I used to be like, oh my God, it's Monday, I have to go. Now, I'm excited for Mondays to Fridays. I don't like the weekends, because the weekends, oh, that's true, I'm a stylist. See? And next month is the last month for me to be behind the chair full time. I'll be going to maybe March 15. At this point, I now have an option. So I'll be going every Sunday as a stylist. Before, I never had that option. It was like, in order for me to pay for the salon rent, I have to take people even on my off days. Even if it's just one man's haircut, I have to take them. But because of the power of investing, I don't need that any longer. It's like, at this point now, people will have to come to me on my own time. I don't have to be on other people's schedule. And this is what I've been praying for all my life. Like, to have an opportunity where I can make a living without, you know, taking care of people, servicing people. I love people, but look at what COVID did. Guys, the last week of December, I had only nobody for the last 2 weeks of December, which means I had to use my own money to pay $530 something a week in rent for the salon. Yeah, I made no income, but I had to pay my rents. You see what I'm saying?
With a phone with a T like, bitch, guess what? Here we go. All the rich ass boys wanna fuck on us.
Even got behind in my rent, my house rent, for 2-3 months, which I'm now paying up now, and that's because of the power of investing. Guys, gone are those days when you're like, oh, let me go bump it like it's, yes, it's okay to bump it like it's hard, but how about if you do that 20 times in the year, you start doing it 10 times in a year, especially when you're someone of color and black. You've seen it. COVID came, oh, it's the black and the browns that are more affected. It's like the minorities, you know, it's always like pinned. Let's just start changing that narrative, and the power of investing can do that. Guys, my portfolio, if someone had told me that today, I'll say, I'm worth 6 figures. I'd be like, oh, hell no. That was my fantasy. That was my dream. In my fairy tale, when they say, oh, that's the figure, you know, if I get that figure, oh my God, I don't have to work ever again. Guys, I'm scared of my portfolio now. I am scared of it. I'm not like, oh, yeah, just make. No, I'm freaking. I showed my best friend, because she's POD, you know, beneficiary, and she was like, wait, what? I was like, yeah. Because if something happens to me, I want her to, you know. So it's like, even if it doesn't work for me, I'm building it for my future. I want to have a kid someday. I want to be able to take care of that. I want to be able to have a house. I want to be able to have a home. Guys, 9 to 5, I ain't fucking working. I'm sorry. So when I see those, and we have this preconceived notion that hairstylists don't know math, so they don't know. I'm like, sometimes I'll be at the salon, I'll see someone coming. My name is John, Jone. I'm like, excuse me? What the hell is that? I don't know what that is. Cosmetology. If a hairstylist can spell cosmetologist, how do you feel that they cannot spell John? And I'll see something like, oh, John, J. And I'm like, how did you get your license? So I started saying to myself, you know what, let's change that narrative, that hairstylist. don't know math, or hairstylists don't know anything other than doing people's hair. And I want to be one of those who changes it. But let's be real, I have a bachelor's degree in electrical engineering and I'm also a hairstylist. So I'm trying to let my fellow hairstylists know that you can do other stuff other than just, oh my god, you know, we are taught to, oh, if it's a type A personality and a type B personality, let's work with them so that way we can upsell a product and get that retail bonus. Bitch, I don't need that. Guys, what I've made in the past 3-4 months, 6 figures. Please tell me, what will I want $5 retail profit or $25 retail profit on the products, on the amount of products I sold for the month for? See what I'm saying? Power of investing, guys. You're someone of color. Please, I'm begging you, or black. In fact, not even someone of color, anyone from any race that have been struggling, working with people you cannot stand with, you have to start giving yourself time. Okay, I will be at this job for the next 1 year and 6 months, and in that time I have to start putting $5 on the side and investing it just for emergency. Forget about it. You just never know what would happen. Honey, my small portfolio and my big portfolio, I'll be like, what? That is the part. I've been crying, like I'm in shock that I don't even know what to say. And it's not because, oh no, it's because I've not seen it physically. I'm just seeing the figure. And if it has gotten to the 2nd milestone, if it gets to the 3rd milestone, I will be revealing my portfolio for you guys, so you can see what I've been talking about since I started in November 1st. Yeah, guys, I love you all so much, but I just wanted to come on here and put that to your head. People are not listening to me, especially my fellow hairstylists, people that are low income earners. They are not listening. And I was like, you know what? Thank you, Kristen and Tommy Bryson. You guys have changed my perception forever. I now have 7 alarms. 3:50 a.m. I'm awake. I have 3:50 a.m., 5 a.m., 7 a.m., 8 a.m., 9 a.m., 9:30, 11, and 10:30. Those are to go to the salon. But that is, I'm not even a fan. On Thursday, I have to go to work. And it's my day off, but I'm forced to go to work because people feel, you know, you're a hairstylist and you need my money, so come and get my hair done. And I was like, you do know that is my day off, right? And you're booking me on my day off. You see, there is no boundaries. That's why I was like, I want to build a life where I can say, you know what, you can keep it. I don't need it. I don't have to work on you, then come home exhausted, fall flat on my face, and I'm not able to do any other thing else. This is the power of investing.
I'm gonna be going from this to this.
See, I'm not having options and, you know, saying, okay, it's time to create limits, it's time to create boundaries. And if I wasn't doing this on the side, I will not be where I am today. So I was like, let me come on here and just let you guys know that, honey, if you are in investing, you are a damn fool. Honey, hey, no. I saw my portfolio, my small portfolio, and I was like, what the hell? Oh, honey, I am so sorry. Like, and it's so funny because people are always begging, please help me, I'll give it back to you. And like, oh, no. Now they're like, what? You did? I'm like, yeah. If you had joined me when I told you and we did it together, you would be at this point. But yeah, you are telling me, oh my God, I made 200 this week. Ooh, or 300. Ooh, and I'm like, in my head, I'm like, honey, I think I just made like 4. Not 100, but 4K. See the difference?
I know that's right.
I'm working smarter. Guys, in 2021, if you're in working smarter and working harder, you're a damn fool. If you're only working harder, you're a damn fool. You have to start working smarter and harder. Combine them both. Or if you can only work smarter, honey, I'm waiting for you. Anyway, I love you guys so much, but I just wanted to come on here and explain to you guys like the powers of investing. Guys, you get to make money in your sleep. The work you've worked so hard in the corporate world, you can put it into work to take care of you for the rest of your life. Look at our 401k. Fidelity has my 401k and I'm just losing money. It's at a loss. Since I was like, wait, Fidelity, This makes no sense. The portfolios I'm managing are growing, and this is this what I'll get after when I turn 59 years old? Like, are you kidding me right now? You see what I'm saying? That's the power of learning, opening your minds. Guys, if you feel that doing one thing will take you to the promised land, bitch, I'm here to let you know that ain't gonna happen. Guys, if someone tells me that they will come back out of COVID and go back to the job they used to work, or just do the same thing they were doing, then you never learned anything from COVID. I lost my friend from COVID. I'm practically losing my business from COVID. I've lost like so much from COVID, and I know people that have lost people from COVID. I've not been able to even take care of my mom like I used to because I cannot afford it because of COVID. Are you kidding me? If you expect me to go back to bust my ass 5-6 days a week waiting for one person to come to the salon, you got another fucking thing coming. I'm sorry. And that's the power of investing.
Inside the envelopes are recommendation letters. I wrote one for each of you.
Top down, let me look in your eye. I know every second of yours is all mine.
And now I know why, guys, the difference between you and a wealthy person is that they have the opportunity, they have the means. If you're smart, you know what to do. What's holding you back is your buying power, and that's why I said if you're drinking 100 coffee in a year, you better start drinking 50 and start investing $50 coffees worth of on the side. You just never know. If you're going out to eat out 250 times in a year, divide it into 2, which is 125, guys. When you start investing, math will be like that, honey. And honey, start invest. You just never know. I'm begging you guys. I'm begging. And yes, once I get to the 3rd milestone, I promise you guys, I'll show you guys my portfolio. Okay. Anyway, I'll just give you an idea. My mentor on YouTube is Christine, and as of today, I think my portfolio has surpassed my mentor. So I'm so excited because soon I'll be selling him so that way I can get my medal, 2 of them. So yeah, thank you so much, Christian, for turning us into these fishes. Like, thank you so much for showing us even just a little and changing our perception and our perspective in this world, in life, and just realizing like, wow, we don't really have to stay on the floor there dying. Like, we can actually dust ourselves up and make a way out for our lives, okay?
Come here.
And I just want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. Christian and Tommy Bryson, I'm forever grateful to you guys. Anyway, I cannot wait to see you guys soon in the next video. Or yes, you guys have realized it. Your color does not matter when it comes to the investing. What you wear does not matter. Your lifestyle, if you're from the alphabet community like me, doesn't matter. What matters is your patience, your due diligence, your buying power, your research, your never go for the FOMO effect, and just learning. Guys, knowledge is power. Knowledge is freaking power, and I'm just here to share this diamond with you guys. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys soon in the next video. If I don't have to work from today, I'll be fine. I could not say that in October. I could not say that at all. What is, how will I pay my rent? From Salvador and Dubstyle Studios. Bye, guys.
We are the only ones who have the power to do right. So do right, Miss Keating.
Cause I'm loving myself real good. Did you guys hear that? I'm scared. In a way that you never could.